What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Josh, and we back at it again on the Kicks and Bricks channel. So, YouTube just finished uploading the first 2 Lego builds of the year for 2024. Make sure y'all hit them up. Make sure y'all check them out. Make sure y'all hit that like button and the share button on those, y'all. It's the Ahsoka Tano Jedi Shuttle and the Coruscant Guard gunship. So both decent sets. Just check out the reviews on them. You'll get what I'm feeling on them, what I'm not feeling on them, and we'll go from there, y'all. But guess what? Psych, before I get to what the video is going to be about this time, we're going to sit here and I'm going to sit here and thank y'all for liking the channel, for sharing the channel, for subscribing to the channel, and for hitting that notification bell. If you're new to the channel, first time watching this video, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Trust me, I do quick, short, down to the point videos. No filler, nothing like that. Just straight facts on whatever I'm reviewing, whatever I'm doing, whether it's sneaker, Legos, whatever have you. So, but today's video is all about the first sneaker review of 2024. Now, mind you, though, the sneaker didn't release in 2024. It was one of the last 2023 pairs that I was able to get. Took a while to get because it took forever to get here by the mail from All Points Bulletin, APB, if you guys don't know. Sneaker boutique, but man, I don't think I'm ever ordering them from them fools again because they take forever, bro. I mean, whew, I think I waited for these like a week and a half, 2 weeks, man. That's crazy for something like that. And it was off a raffle, and of course, me speaking on that right now already kind of probably get y'all guess what I'm gonna sit here and review. So let me get down to it. It was one of 2 AMaManiere 5s that released, and I already did the review on the first one, and I'm gonna sit here and compare side by side of this one. So let's get to it. And in the box, what we got is the Air Jordan 5 Dusks, and man, what a beaut. Check it out, y'all. Now again, I've voiced my opinion on this time and time again about the specific color, this burgundy Bordeaux color that's normally used on some of the Jordans, and I'm not a fan of that colorway, but I will say with the minimal amount on this sneaker, I wouldn't mind rocking, because it's very few hints of that burgundy purple, whatever Bordeaux, and the only other place they have it is on the inside of the tongue, and we'll go over that in the up close look of the sneaker. But first impressions, it's got this nice nubuck suede type leather on the most of the sneaker. I can see right now it's got a couple of glue stains that I think I could work with and get them out because I know how to get rid of them. And yeah, other than that, we got the AMaManiere on the mesh, which is pretty dope. We got that sail, age color thing going on with the tongue and the side meshes and the sole, and then even the lace lock looks like it's a little yellow, but I'm gonna give y'all the up close. Got a nice 3M on the tongue with the AMaManiere, symbol, emblem on them. So, and what I like most about it is that it's got that 23 on the side right here. I love it when they put the 23 on the, on the Air Jordan 5s. It just gives it a little kick. You know what I mean? Just a small little kick. Boom. Like, the Fire Red 5s that come with the 23 on there. I like those better than the OG Fire Red 5. I'm sorry, y'all. Just shoot me now, because to me, that's my opinion. I love those things better than the OG. So, all right. Well, let me shut my mouth. Let me get these in front of the camera, nice and up close for y'all to check out, and give y'all up close and personal on how good this sneaker looks. Because, man, and then I'm gonna put them side by side with the Dawns. Yeah, because this is the dusk. So that would be the dawns. Yeah. See, that's the thing, man. You gotta like catch up with the nicknames, and you like dusk. They both start with D. All right. It would make sense that the darker one is the dusk, and the dawn would be the lighter one. Yeah, but you still get a little scrambled in there when you're trying to remember what nickname it is. So, all right. Enough of that. Let's get this in front of the camera. Give y'all the up close and personal, y'all. Let's get it. All right, y'all. In front of us, we have the Air Jordan 5 AMaManiere Dusk, and it's a definitely dope pair. Y'all gonna like this review, I think. And we're gonna put the other the dawns next to them after I finish looking at these up close. But as y'all can see, we got the Air Jordan 5s on top of the box. We got that burgundy box going on here, and then excuse the camera, y'all. It doesn't like for some reason the way the box is, so it can't focus in on it. Only this way is the only way I can get it to focus. When I lay it back down, it wants to do that, bounce it around. But we're not here for the box though. We are here for these right here, y'all. And check them out. Check how good the material on these look, man. I'm talking about banging. I mean, right here, you got this little mark of, you know, because it's a nubuck suede, so I don't know how that got on there, but for me, that's no deal breaker for me. We got the side views right here. We got the AMaManiere on the tongues, the mesh, and on the sides right there. Let me give y'all the up close of the side meshes right there. There they go, y'all. And like I can see, it's that nice nubuck leather right there. Look at that. Nice mesh right there. Got the sail colorway on the lace lock also. Then you got the interior panel. And like I said, y'all, look, one little bit Bordeaux burgundy color there, a little bit Bordeaux burgundy color there, and nothing else after that. And of course, inside of the tongue, you got that right there, the AMaManiere, and of course, we got that purple there, but of course that's not showing, so I don't care much. And then we got the sail colorway on the bottom, kind of like the Dawns had it, but I think this, I won't call it sail. I think this, I'm gonna call it yellow straight up. The sole is just straight up yellow, and the one on the Dawn is kind of yellow too, but it's not as yellow as this one. But you'll see here in a moment here when I put them side by side. So, and they come with two laces. One's a sail, one's a white, and of course the blacks that are already on there. So it's 3 pairs of laces. And I knew I wasn't tripping when I did the a review on the yellow ochres, the old Jordan 1's yellow ochres. See, this is sail right here, and there is no sail on those Air Jordan 1s, but yet they put sail on the color description, which is kind of like confusing. I don't know why they did that, but yeah, you got sail, white and black, and the dope sneakers. So, all right, well, let's pop up this one over here, and let's pop this one over here over, and boom. All right, well, now we got out the Air Jordan 5 AMaManiere Dawn. So we got Dusk and Dawn. Got Dawn and Dusk. So we got both of them here to a quick review. And like I said, man, look at the sole. It's yellow, but it definitely doesn't look as yellow, or am I tripping? Let me know, y'all, in the comment section if that's my eyesight, you know, deceiving me, or are they both the same shade of yellow. So we got the same quality material, just different color. That nubuck suede on leather on the front, and on the most of the sneaker, you got the meshes are the same. You got the meshes on the tongue, lace locks are the same, and the laces provided are the same, except that the ones that come with the sneaker is like a silvery type white there, but then the white and sail on those, and 3M on the tongue. Beautiful sneakers. I think, again, my opinion, these are the best AMaManiere releases of 2023. My opinion, my favoritism towards this. And I'm not even that big of a fan of 5s, but I'm gonna say these are definitely one of the top cops of 2023 for me, and the top AMaManiere pair that of the 2023 for me. So, but anyway, in the comment section, y'all, let me know what y'all think about these. Are these a must cop? Did y'all double up? I doubled up on the Dawn pair. The Dusk pair, not so much. But let me know if this is a double up for y'all. If y'all copped, if y'all passed, if y'all want it on a raffle, if y'all want it on, you know, got them on Nike. Let me know what y'all think about this sneaker in the comment section. You know, and pretty much, I'm happy with them. I don't know about y'all. Well, you know what? Hey, one more thing. Let's see. Look at these backs. Look at that. Back. Nike Air. Nice and uniform. Yeah, buddy. All right. Well, let's get these two. Well, actually, let's get this one first, and then both of them back in front of the camera so we can give our final thoughts and comments on the sneaker, and we'll take it from there, y'all. All right. Let's get it. All right, y'all. That was the review of the Air Jordan 5 AMaManiere Dusks, and like I saw in the up close, man, the sneaker is pretty dope, pretty good, you know, addition to the collection. And in my opinion, I think that both this one and the Dawns were the better of the AMaManiere releases to me personally, my opinion. Yes, the 3s are good. I didn't get to cop those. The 4s to me, too much of that burgundy in there. The 12s, you know, the white and the black pair, got both. But again, that burgundy can't rock. But these for sure rock them hands down because they don't have none of that burgundy in there. And these for sure rock them because they got minimal burgundy in there. So I'm with it, y'all. I'm with it, y'all. And it looks like, you know, I haven't put these on yet, but the inside, you know, like I mentioned in the video, the inside padding of these is beautiful, just beautiful. So yeah, y'all, let me know in the comment section which ones y'all were able to cop, if any at all, and which ones you would go after if you had a choice to go after them. Let me know in the comment section what y'all think about them. Let me know what y'all thought about this review and about the video, and what y'all thought about what was your favorite AMaManiere of the release, you know, of the year. Was it any of these? Was it the 3s, the 4s, the 12s? And what about the rumored releases of the AMaManiere 4s for this year? So we'll get to that in another video. Whenever I get a pair of 4s that I'm going to review, we'll throw that in there and talk about it. So, all right, y'all. Well, thanks for sticking through the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that share button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And make sure you hit that notification bell. Thanks for the love, y'all. Thanks for sticking by and watching the video. And as always, there's nothing more to it other than it's your boy Josh. We on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Keep it locked in, and until next time, holla at your boy.